Mexican chicken Alfredo. And for that I'm going to need a 16-ounce jar of Alfredo sauce, about a fourth of an orange, yellow, and red pepper diced up, 2 cups of cheddar cheese or mixed cheese, a can of sweet corn, a jar of chunky salsa, I'm using mild, and about 3 to 4 pieces of chicken. You're also going to want a pasta of your choice. I'm using cavatappi. You could always use penne or macaroni or the rotini, but that was the one I had on my shelf, so we're going to work with it. So let's go. First off, you're going to put that whole jar of Alfredo in the very bottom. Second, you're going to put the salsa. You can add the chicken pieces in. Put our canned corn on top of that. Peppers. Last but not least, layer of the cheese. And this is going to cook on high for the next 2 hours. Right, this has been cooking for 2 hours, and I already removed the chicken and broke it all up, cut it up, chopped it up. And I already got the liberty of boiling the pasta. So let's go on and dump that in. And re-put the chicken back into the dish. And then once it's stirred in, you're going to give it maybe about 15 minutes as you turn off the crock pot and just let the end of heat combine it together better. Alright, I put a little sprinkle of cheese on the top and let it set, and now it's time to dig in and try it on out. I really like it. I think I would like a little bit of chili powder or some garlic powder in it. Salt and pepper just really didn't totally cut it, I guess, for me. Or even use a slightly hotter salsa, because it's missing a little kick I was looking for. Now, I think you could probably chop up 1 jalapeno, put it in when you put in the other peppers, and it would make a nice little kick in this for you. No, it's not terrible or anything. It still tastes awesome. I guess it's just missing that little Mexican kick I was looking for. But that's nothing if a couple spices can do for you. So, you know what to do. Like what you saw. Don't like what you saw. Leave me a like. Leave me a comment about it. And I will see you in our next one.